Hello, everyone. We are now in MOAB. It's less than 30 minutes before the market closes. I just opened a position, and unfortunately, my streaming earlier got disconnected. There's no internet in the train. But now that we're here in MOAB, I just opened a position, and this one was at 3:30. So 30 minutes before the market closes, I saw how SE had been having this triple top. So triple top by the time I saw it, but one, two, three, four, five, looks like it had touched that level 5 times. So as soon as I saw that it had touched that level 5 times without showing any signs of weakness, I entered it short. I shorted it at this 230 level. So average cost is at 43.29. So right now I'm sitting at 287 unrealized with this very nice view. I don't know if you can see it, but we're here at the MOAB and yeah, just waiting to get checked in. So this is the Fort Hotel that we're checking in. So there's a hot springs right there. I know it's a little bit against the light, but we arrived early, so we haven't had any chance to check in yet. We're still waiting for our room. But while we're doing that, yeah, just entered a position. And right now, still working. We have that just walking in the hotel, just trying to see if there's a better Wi-Fi, better view that I get to share with you guys while waiting to check in. And yeah, it's very nice weather today. Let's see if this is gonna let me see. All right. So, very nice weather. I think we are 90 degrees. But just again, just open that position and let's see, still against the light. But yeah, it's a nice view out here. So let's see, I cannot go far though. I don't want to lose connection. But yeah, hopefully tomorrow we have no more traveling via train. So we'll have a better connection tomorrow. No more disconnection, hopefully. And yeah, we go from there. So, funny thing is, since I was looking for a nice view, I got locked out. But it's a good place to get blacked out. It's a good place since right now we're making at least 400K. Or sorry, not 400K. That's too much. My position is just 1500. So only yeah, almost for 300 dollars right now. Thank you. Thanks so much. All right, so there was a nice guy who opened us up. So got locked out. Little bit of a bounce from that moving average. So let's see. Do I have enough battery? They do have a very nice working center here. So I'll just hang out here for now. Let's see. So look at this one. They have a Mac. They have a PC. So I don't like that that's bouncing in that 5 minutes. So I need this one to break 4304. Right now, 4304 is, so this is the SPY. SPY is bouncing off of VWAP as well, and that's affecting this trade. And then we do have a VWAP all the way to 42.64. So where is that level that we are trying to break off of? This is the level right here, which is 43.07. So we're waiting for this to be broken, which we just did. Let's see. So SE, looking at the 5 minutes, still very weak. We have lower low, lower high right here. um, I don't like that that has that little bit of a bounce, but I won't let this trade be against me. And then, yeah, it's either just going to be a break-even trade or I'll let this one run. But so far, let's see, we have the 30 minutes right here, or 5 minutes. Let's just do 15 minutes right here. And let's see where is it bouncing off of. If we do have the toolbars right here. So let's see, our trend line is from here. So we're still doing lower low, lower high here. So we just had a big rejection right there. If I am aggressive with my trade, then I could have added to my position. But since what time is it? It's 20 minutes, less than 20 minutes before the market closes. I will just wait for this trade to, yeah, to do something. So the next level that we need to break off of is 43.03. Now we do have a big order sitting right here at the bid at 43. So waiting for that order, if you notice, we do have 42.99 here now. So that will be our next destination. We have a bunch of orders at 43 as well as 43.01. We do have some orders as well sitting right here, 43.09. So no imbalance yet, but since we have timed this pretty much at the top, I'm sitting in a comfortable position here. We just had another dip. So see, so far, throughout the trip that we had from, so we went to Colorado and now we are here in Moab. So far, SE had been a very, very nice stock to trade. It is very strong. So a lot of people made money of this to the long side. But since internet connection as well as traveling is hindering me to be in my laptop the whole time, what I've been doing is just taking those dips and doing a short. And so far, yeah, those short um trade had been working. I could have made more if I have a bigger position because right now I only have 1500. So that 1500 with the move of 43.29 all the way to 43. So that's already almost like a 30 cents. So imagine if I've increased my position, that could have been a bigger gain. The only thing though is I literally just drop my luggage. And since we got here earlier than expected, earliest checked in is at 3. So now local time is 1:44. So I still have around an hour and a half or an hour and 15 before the check-in. That's why just killing some time here in the lobby after this trade, then I will just have some late then I'm so confused with the time, late lunch. So we did had that bounce right there. Um But here, since we have that bounce, we have a big volume bar right there. So my stop loss now here, because I'm not gonna let this stock trade against me, is at this level, at this moving average. So 43.23, 43.23, that would be my stop loss. So 43.23, where are you? Right there. Uh, I'm making 43.23 as my stop loss because that is above this moving average right here. So at least I still get a ceiling with that moving average. So that ceiling and that moving average, it's still going to act as a strong resistance. If that strong resistance is still broken, then that means I do not have a business of being in this trade. So that's why it's not just, throwing that dart and random stop, but my stop is there because it is above the moving average. And at that time, then it will tell us that the trend have reversed. But looking at the 15 minutes right here, look at that top at 43.15, had a big rejection at 43.15. So let's put in our level here. So stop loss here is just above. So stop loss is going to be 43.23. So getting ready to cover the position. If it goes to 43.23, then I am out of this trade. It's 347. So 10 cents away from getting stopped out. Big rejection right there. The thing that I'm looking at is the 5 minutes looks like it has a big volume bar when we have that hammer. But look at the volume bar still on the 15. 15 with this sell-off, it's still massive, right? So if it's still massive, considering that we have, let's see, 47, 57. So we have less than 15 minutes before the market closes. So that means all who were short, just like me, will start covering their position, and that shorts will, once it gets covered, then you have to buy back those shares. So expect a little bit of a bounce. And I don't want to keep any positions after 4 just because I do not plan to swing this. SE had been so strong for how many days now? Looks like for the past 3 days, it had been so strong. So those things you don't want to get trapped on. It is very strong stock to the short because, God forbid, tomorrow you can just get a margin call right there. So this one is just for a day trade. Definitely not a swing trade. So that's why we're getting very close to covering that position because of the time. So 48, it is, let's see, less than 15 minutes before the market closes. Big volume right here, 23. So 20 is right there, so that's acting as a strong resistance there. Hands is on the trigger. 23 is my yeah, I'll be out of this at 23, but looks like it is just struggling there. So 49, we still have 10 minutes left. Would it be nice if this one just drop, like a massive drop before market closes? So we have 10 minutes. This can also just be profit takers covering their shares. So 2017, hand is on the trigger. That's a big volume bar right there with the 5 minutes. Okay, 17. Where is my tape right here? So the tape gives you the actual price that is getting bought or sold. So right now it's 43.16. What time is it? 10 minutes. We're getting up 15, bunch of 15s there, 18. So just need a projection, otherwise I am gonna be out of this trade. 16, still printing 16, 18. We're still the 17. We're still heading higher. There's a print of 12. I saw that big print of 12. 43.12. 15 now, so we're heading lower. Less than 10 minutes before the market closes. We have some prints of 13 now, 17. So I'm looking at the tape. We do have 43.12. Just need this one to drop. We have 11, 12. Bunch of orders sitting at the bid now. So that's very bearish. Let's see. I wish we had more time. It's just too risky to keep this position at the close, just because this can go either direction and I just don't want to get stuck and just get trapped. I don't like that. We got another pop. So 16. Let's see, we have 8 minutes left, 15. Bunch of orders at 16. So let's wait for that 16 to get cleared. We have 43.13 now. Back on 16. 18. We're back on 15. I just need a drop here. 8 minutes plus 8 minutes 15. Hands is on the trigger to cover position or to buy it back. 16. Bunch of reds there. It's just not going down. Yeah, they're just supporting the stock. So 15. I have big orders at the 12. There is a big order at the 12. Last 7 minutes. Big order at the 12. Waiting for that order to get filled. Where's the 11? We're still at 15. Bunch of red prints. Come on. 7 minutes. 16 now. Where is that? Okay, 11. But there's no imbalance. No imbalance right here. I just need a drop. 14. Bunch of orders sitting at 11.10. So I have 6 minutes. Come on. 43.12. Bunch of 43.008. That's what I'm seeing now. 43.08.10. Bunch of orders. 43.10. I need to break that by 43.06 is the one that I'm seeing now. We have 6 minutes, 11, 1, 43.06. So thinking of closing this one if it goes above 43.12, 43.1. So we have last 6 minutes. Okay, covering position. I don't like that pop. So yeah, that pop, this can pretty much still go down, but I don't want to watch this anymore. This is the drop that I'm waiting for. Look at that 5 minutes, 43.12. That's gonna break massively that moving average right there. But I exited my position. Did not Did you see that bid? There's a bunch of bids now, but there's also a bunch of asked. So they're trying to support this stock that it doesn't go below that moving average. So yeah, just a very small green trade of 244. Let's see if there's any other trades that we can take. I doubt it because we have 5 minutes left. So this is AMD, about another CSE. You see this one, it's just going higher high, higher low. That's why when I saw that drop and then there's a bunch of orders sitting at the ask, I just needed to get out of that trade. So yeah, anyway, we'll take that. Gas money. So yeah, let's do our recap. So we only have 4 minutes left before the market closes. Um, we had been traveling here for um almost, yeah, couple of days now. We went to Colorado, to Utah, and then now, yeah, we are here at MOAB, and it has been a pretty good trading so far. I did not get to trade. Well, yesterday I did get to trade Disney. Disney stopped me out. So let's just go back to Disney. SE looks like it's about to drop massively. So Disney, this stopped me out. So a small red trade yesterday. I was so glad that before I lost connection, I was all out of Disney. So with the Disney trade, what I did yesterday was I went long at 80, around 80.10, and then stop loss is just below this candlestick for that week. So around below 79. So 79.60 is my stop loss. So a small loss of like 166 because I only took 310 shares. So long heels got stop out. And then now I did not want to re-enter Disney to the as a swing because it did not, yeah, my stop loss got hit. So today, when I got here in Moab with internet connection while waiting for to check in. What is this? Wow, PKE. While waiting to check in, I saw SE. SE is the one that I've been trading for a couple of days now. Since 2 days ago, it had given us a good um opportunity to the short. Although if I am in my trading station, this one is one of those a good trade to the long. So this one we made money of this when we shorted 40.72 and then we shorted again today. So today very small green, but I'll take that. I'm literally just waiting to be checked in and make some gas money. So I'll take that. Um, but for a recap, look at this thing. After it stopped me out, and after what time is it? Now it's doing the move that I waited for. But yeah, small green trade. So with SE, what I saw was at the daily, look at how strong this one is. This one is actually lacking momentum now because at the pop, you have a small volume, you have another pop, and then the volume is dying here when you're pushing up. So this one was a good short, but I did not have a internet connection there. But this one, we were able to day trade this and today. So what I saw with SE was we do have a very strong daily chart, but with SE, which is moving nicely now, is let's look at a higher time frame. So higher time frame, we have first up, right? 43.2. This one is not as high of the day, which is 43.41. So 43.41, and then we are so close there that I entered. Now we are post market. I entered short because we did not even get to touch 43.41. So thesis here is I'm gonna enter short with a stop loss of just a little high of the day. So entry is at 43.30. So, and stop loss is at 43.45. So we're risking 15 cents to make a 30 move. So we did get that. We got a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. But just because I only have 1,500 shares, that is not enough to give us that good of a move. So from 43.30, it went all the way to around 43. So just a little short from 30 cents. So that's 28 cents. So we're risking 15 cents and was did move to a 28 cents. So that is a little short to 2 to 1 reward to risk ratio. Um, the thing that I like about SE is for a couple of this is the one that I day traded here. It's just so clean when it comes to the volume bar. Volume bar kind of tells you which direction, which momentum it wants to take. So small position to the short added to my position and was all out at this pop. I did not like that it is not breaking the low of this wick, which is 43.02. I did mention that this is a very strong stock, as you can see in the daily. So that means I do not have a business to short this one and make it to a swing trade. That's why when I entered it to the short, I know that that one was just a scalp trade. So as soon as that gave us that little bit of a move, then I was all out. All out. And right now, I don't like trading stocks at the post market just because now you do not have the volume bar as basis whether this one is this gonna just pop or drop. And look at your, this is the worst part here as well, look at your bid ask spread, right? Your bid ask spread, you have 0.07, 0.20. So you're talking about a bid ask spread of 12 cents. So that means those, let's say you are gonna buy back your position, you're paying 43.20. But when you're selling it, you have to sell it at 43.07. So let's say you are um shorting it. 43.07 is gonna be your the one that the you're gonna be on that price 43.07. So that means initially this one was 43.20. One share, you're already down by 13 cents. So that's why that big spread make a big difference with your position, with your sizing. That's why I did not want to hold this one to the post market, because post market you have a different ball game there. You have a very high um um widespread, and at the same time it can easily just pop on you. Um I don't want to say that it's manipulated, but it is. So market maker can just make this pop or make it drop, or even some big pocketed um investors or traders can just make this pop or drop. But it's like trading blindly on a stock that you do not see the volume bar. That's why I did not want to take this one into the post market, which look at this one right now. It's just still that spread of um 8 cents. So that still is a big spread. So yeah, that's it. So just waiting in the lobby and waiting to get checked in, and we made 244. Could have been bigger if we did not get stuck in traffic or in the mountains. traffic here is not as bad, so we're happy with that. But tomorrow, since I'm just gonna be here in the hotel, we'll have a better internet connection. So hopefully, since it's a Friday, we get those movers tomorrow. So tomorrow's strategy is I'm gonna be watching SE again. Looks like SE is starting to show some signs of weakness, but be very careful with SE though. I think one of the news that I saw is there's like one of the prediction is for this stock to reach 48. So they're trying to push it to 48. So little at a time. But with that little bit of us looking at the stock that looks oversold, those little bit of a dip, we're able to make money out of that. And that's what we did today. Um, with a 244 with less than 20 minutes trading in the lobby, and that's also what we did back in Colorado when we were just waiting for our food for breakfast and we made 1K. So with that, I hope you guys had a green trading day. And yeah, for those of you guys who have questions on how to day trade for a living, please feel free to check our website out. It's called ecourseunlock.com, and in that website, it has a good resource on where to begin on how to day trade for a living. Um, let's see here. So this is our website right here. Let me close this one. So, unlock your limits, build wealth through real estate and the stock market. Um, we have a couple of services here. Um, we have real estate unlock as well as our day trading unlock. And if you wanted to check our syllabus out, make sure to click this link about day trading.
Hi, my name
And
is
with that
Mary
link,
and I'm a
you
day
will see our
trader. So
services
what do you
on day
value the
trading.
most?
We have more than 64
Is
hours
it
of learning,
family?
and we
Is
are
it your relationship?
adding to this content weekly, so learning never stops. So
Is it
we
health?
have our
Is it growth?
our breakdown.
Or maybe a
So we have
status?
what is day
Or maybe a
trading all the way
popularity?
to
Is it
let's see
achievement?
here,
Or is it security?
webinar that is
Is it
12.8 hours,
fulfillment?
but it's more than
Or is
64
it the
hours
passion?
of online
Is it the
content that you can
relationship,
finish at your
adventure, being
own
creative,
leisure, at your own
being able to do what you
time.
want at your
And
own
that's the
terms,
beauty of an online
or just
course.
loving what you do?
So yeah, please check that
Exploring the
one out.
world,
We do have our trade
giving
recap
back,
here. Our
serving.
trade recap, we
You know,
haven't
the list
posted
can
our
go on
September
and on.
trade recap yet,
What's the
just
common
because everything
denominator here?
live trade anyway
All of
is
this
in
requires
YouTube.
time.
So if you
And
want
if
to
we will
check
spend
our recent
90,000
trade
hours
recap, it's
at work,
also in
which is the
YouTube.
average number of hours a
Um,
person works in their lifetime,
and
then
if
who
you want
has
to
the
just
time
check
to do all
our
this?
free 20 pages PDF file for how to day trade for a living and be able to see those consistency in day trading, then just click this link. No commitment. You can download that for free. And that's one of our favorite and very high profitable day trading strategy. So that's the opening range breakout, opening range breakdown. So if you guys have questions and you do have any day trading questions at all, please type it in the chat or send us an email and we can yeah, we would be more than happy to help you guys. So we're here because at one point we were in your position as well, trying to be profitable in this kind of market. The thing about the market that we're in is we're almost like on a sideways pertaining to the SPY. So for an investor or for a swing trader, that is an account killer. But for a day trader like us, SPY open 2% up and then closed flat or closed less than 2%. Those volatility throughout the day, those are the money makers for a day trader. So it's the perfect time to start to day trade for a living. It's the perfect time to invest in your education and to learn how to become profitable. Because even if the market is just sideways going, we're in a bull market, bear market, opportunities are there. And this is the reason why I went into day trading, because even if you're traveling, you only have a couple of minutes, as long as, of course, you have a good internet connection. Then, yeah, the thing that I like about day trading is the lifestyle. So I want to hear your thoughts. What is it that motivates you to learn on how to day trade for a living? Please put that in the chat or send me an email. I would love to hear what you guys think about day trading and what it is that motivates you to become a day trader. Because you will only become profitable, as well as you will take things seriously, if you have a very reasonable motivation to do so, right? Is it the lifestyle? Is it because you want to spend time more, with your family? You want to end your 9 to 5 job, or, it has to be a bigger goal rather than, oh, I want to, make money. Because money is just there all the time. You can have different side hustle that can make money as well. Real estate is a good way of, and has a good potential for a high return of investment. So that's the thing that I would like to leave to you guys, that when you are a day trader, you need to have a bigger goal, a bigger motivation for you to take it seriously. My goal for me to take it seriously was, I know I put it under my about tab in my website, but the bigger goal is, once I received that diagnosis about the um, thyroid cancer, and I got, thank God, I'm cancer free now. I realize how valuable time is. I'm also a nurse practitioner, so I'm making a good amount of money. So that's at least a six-figure job. The only thing though is, now I see time as more valuable than money. So, and day trading gives me that opportunity for me to lessen the working hours that I have to put in, rather than doing 40 hours a week. I can shorten that and I can do something else with my time. So that is the thing that motivated me to take day trading seriously. And once I have set that goal and motivation, I started looking at day trading differently. I started looking at it and taking it seriously. Now it's not just based on, oh, I want to end green for the day, I want to earn this much. Now it's not just, earn, just earning. Now it's living the life that I want at my own terms. That means I can just work a couple of hours in the morning, and I have the rest of the time for me to spend time with my family. And that is the thing that keeps me excited. In the morning, looking at my watch list. So if you look at the YouTube, we have online streaming every day. And it's not like, it's a work. It's not work at all. To be honest, Monday to Friday, I look forward in the morning. Weekend is a time to rest, but also, unlike the 9 to 5 where I dread, the Monday, it's the opposite. When you're a day trader, Monday you look forward to it, and up to Friday. Tomorrow I'm thinking that it's Friday. It's the last day trading day, but it's okay. At least I'm traveling. But yeah, so enough with my ranting. I would like to know, why are you guys considering day trading as a profession? Or is this like a side hustle only? But you need to have a bigger goal for you to take day trading seriously, because 9 out of 10 are losing money with day trading. So unless you have a bigger goal, you will be part of that statistics. So my encouragement is be that top 10%. Um, don't be the one that is giving away those money. Be the one to take control of your day trading and take day trading as a serious profession, because day trading can give you the lifestyle that you want. So, sorry for that long rant, but I hope you got something from this. And if you have questions, please feel free to email me. We're here for you. And from MOAB, I don't know if you guys can see it, but very nice view right here. I can day trade anytime with this view. So let's see. Let's just do a 360. Still waiting for me to check in. But with that, have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys first thing tomorrow morning. Thank you for watching. Bye.